Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Motorola just dropped the Edge 70 Pro 5G, and tonight we're breaking down the official trailer, key specs, and why this mid-range powerhouse might be your next best buy. The phone's official trailer and launch details just went live last week, teasing a summer release in the US and global markets. Stay tuned, as we'll also cover pricing and availability as soon as it's announced. It sports a stunning 6.7 Super HD POLED display with 1220p resolution, 120Hz refresh, and a peak 4500 nits brightness, perfect for outdoor viewing. Quad curved Gorilla Glass 7i front and back, sleek soft touch finish, around 8mm thick and weighing just 181 grams, IP68, IP69 and MIL STD810H certified. Under the hood, MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra, 4nm, paired with 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, plus RAM boost for smooth multitasking. Moto AI steps in with a dedicated AI key for quick access, plus Circle to Search, Gemini Live, Smart Connect, and enhanced editing. Large 5200 mAh battery with 68W turbo power wired charging and 15W wireless. DXOMARK Gold battery certified for nearly 2-day life, and a day's power in just 6 minutes. Back camera array. 50MP Sony LYTIA700C main with OIS, 50MP ultra-wide, and 10MP 3x telephoto. Quad curved triple setup delivers pro-style flexibility. Front camera is a sharp 50MP shooter bringing high-res selfies and 4K video. The Edge 70 Pro bridges performance, AI smarts, premium build, and top-tier battery, all without breaking the bank. If you're after a flagship-level experience on a mid-range budget, this one is worth a serious look. Are you adding the Edge 70 Pro to your radar? What feature stands out? AI tools, battery, or camera setup? Comment below, I'd love to hear. Smash like, subscribe, and ring that bell for our full review once we get our hands on it. Thanks for watching.